Wala yung ano, mga gamit ng mga Indian. Wow naman. הם יודעים, אתם לסרוקים את הדברים שלהם?
גם את תצלם.
כן, אבל הם יודעים?
כן. הנה בעל הבית למעלה. את מצויר מהעמד. היא מצלמת אותנו.
זה אסור ככה, אני חושבת אסור. זה אסור, הם לא יודעים. זה דברים, זה מאוד יקרים. זה לא טוב ככה.
איפה הם?
איפה הם? לצלצל.
איפה?
הם מסכנים, אין להם, הם הביתה, הם להם דברים.
איפה הם? בהודו?
זה לא.
בהודו.
שלהם? הכל? כולם?
בהודו. את מכירה הודו? לא פה, בהודו. הם בהודו. לכי הביתה.
Ito yung kanilang ginawa, oh.
לא להפריע, גברת.
אני לא מפריעה, אני לא מפריעה שלכם. ito yung kanilang ginawa. לא, אני לא רוצה, זה שלהם. זה שלהם, זה לא טוב מה אתם עושים.
לא, הם רוצים לזרוק לבד.
לא, יש אנשים, זה דברים שלהם. זה דברים שלהם, זה הודים. זה הודים, הם לא יכולים לצאת בבית שלהם, עבודה שלהם, בגלל קורונה. אבל מה הם עושים? לא יכולים לסרוקים. זה לא טוב. Ineng, may kakilala ka ba sa taas? Yung mga, mga Indian? Kasi, hindi lang sila nakabayad, tinapon na nila yung mga gamit nila. Pagdating nila, siyempre may mga yan, may mga important documents yan. Kawawa naman sila.
Bakit ganun?
Oo nga, sabi ko, bawal yung ginagawa nyo, hindi lang kain sila. Siyempre, hindi sila makalabas.
Oo.
Anong mangyayari dyan? Tignan mo, kawawa naman sila pagdating nila. Mga documents yan, ining eh. Ito, Indian to eh.
Yung nasa taas?
Oo, mga Indian yan eh.
balabait, הודו. לא, אני לא balabait.
You are the balabait? You allow the things of your countrymen to be like this?
See, there is one lady. She is the conductor part, okay?
Yeah.
And the owner 1,000 times call her to pay the money.
Okay.
No one comes back and pays.
But nobody can go out.
What should we do?
We are only allowed to go out now. Same as when they come, they don't have anything.
But what I do, man, I cannot alone. I cannot do anything from alone. What should I do? I try both sides, but no one can convince. What should I do?
Naku, wala sing mahal pala eh.
Bakit naiiwanan ka?
I don't like what I feel. You know.
I feel so sorry about them.
Sige ka pa eh,
We
mauna na
are,
ako.
we are not from Israel. We are from outside from Israel.
Yeah.
We don't know what the rules here and what the everything here.
No, the rules here, they cannot let you go out without even knowing the situation. Nobody can go out.
But the situation now is finished, and the owner told to us, the lady who is the conductor apart, he almost paid 8,000, 9,000 seconds. That's too much. But she is in India, she cannot do anything. And he cannot pay for when she come back. So what should I do? I take again, how much can I save?
The documents, please save the documents.
I cannot do anything, my dear.
Yeah, I understand you, but what they are doing is illegal.
Nothing in our hand.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Don't take my photo on Facebook, please.
Yeah, anyway, you can suit them to court later.
What I tell you, don't take my photo.
Yeah, it's okay. Yan ang ginawa nila sa mga Indian.